While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, highlighted as ETH. With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculations and science-supported digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, the Ethereum blockchain is a high-level task. It is generally famous among digital money fans, mostly because of its nodal position in the realm of cryptographic forms of money. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest digital money. The whole peculiarity and the basic center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers designers to plan and work on savvy contracts, naturally carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, likewise called Serenity. ETH 2.0 is the augmentation of the Ethereum structure with added elements to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a slow and predictable stage-wise uncovering with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional upgrade in productivity, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding strategy to lessen the exchange cost and speed up, including sharding with the blend will expand its asset use execution amazingly. Moreover, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the Union are currently at long last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is presently more eco-accommodating because of the Union. The whole cryptographic money market experiences flighty cost unpredictability, going with the venture choice and altcoins really testing. Nonetheless, according to our figures and specialized examination, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and venture altcoins. In continuation, due to the crypto market decline of May 2022, the cost of Ethereum fell further. Since arriving at the ETH in November 2021, ETH digital currency has checked enormous unpredictability in its cost activity. Throughout the course of recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $1,800 and $1,100. As of now, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,656.13. For what reason is Ethereum going down? Financial backers constantly stress over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, hence searching for preferable choices over the Ethereum market to put away their cash. In the earlier year, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers monstrous returns before the beginning of the new year. In any case, in 2022, there was a critical drop in the cost for every one of the resources. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly incredible resource for speculation for merchants who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Wallet financial backers' Ethereum cost expectations recommend that the ETH token might go down to $194 by long-term end. Simultaneously, the ETH value estimate of exchanging monsters uncovers the coin will have just reached $3,379.40 by 2025 because of the negative cost history, while long conjecture uncovers that the ETH cost might be $4,489 by 2026 in light of their Ethereum cost figure. ETH value expectation 2023 in view of the specialized examination and cost changes. Ethereum cryptographic money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,050 for 2023. Ethereum Value Forecast 2024. Taking a gander at the Ethereum value expectation and specialized examination, it tends to be guessed that the greatest worth of ETH might be around $4,100. Simultaneously, the previous presentation additionally recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $3,300 and $3,700. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025. According to our Ethereum cost forecast for 2025, the base, normal, and greatest exchange values might be around $4,300, $5,150, and $6,000 in the crypto market. According to the Ethereum Forecast 2025, We expect numerous associations and reconciliations sooner rather than later of the Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Expectations 2026. Our Ethereum estimate uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $6,200 to $7,500, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost, while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2026. Conversely, the typical cost for the year might be $6,850. ETH Coin Value Expectation 2027. In light of the Ethereum conjecture, the coin might have a possible high and likely low of $7,600 and $6,400 separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $7,000. Ethereum Crypto Value Expectation 2028. As indicated by our expectations for the year 2028, the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $7,800 and $9,300 individually. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $8,550. Ethereum Coin Cost Expectation 2029. Constantly 2029. Ethereum's cost will have seen an extraordinary ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In light of our Ethereum cost expectation, the coin's cost might reach as high as $12,200 in the year 2029, while it might exchange around a low of $9,500. The typical worth is supposed to be around $10,850. Ethereum Value Expectation 2030. Our ETH cost forecasts 2030 showed the coin may be dashing to peak. The token might have a base cost of $12,500 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a critical high of $15,555 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. The Ethereum future looks exceptionally encouraging, with a typical worth of $14,028 in the year 2030 in view of our examination. Greg Lunt tweets, #Ethereum's cost activity addresses the altcoin market all in all. With Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto experts. We presume that the Ethereum projected development will doubtlessly arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost expectation, on the off chance that you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might acquire great returns. Be that as it may, this doesn't comprise speculation exhortation in any structure. Complete your own exploration to decrease the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2023? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits according to our Ethereum cost forecast. Nonetheless, do your own intensive examination prior to putting away your cash. Take your exchanging choices and put away cash just in view of your venture targets to decrease every one of the dangers. How high will Ethereum go? According to our Ethereum cost forecast, no other crypto can guarantee a fantasy with this good faith. Adding ETH to your crypto wallet can end up being an important speculation. Gave you plan all your venture choices carefully and decisively. According to our Ethereum cost forecast 2030, the coin will have essentially a